Contemporary new construction, loads of upgrades. Move right into this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2261 square feet under air, an oversized 2-car garage, and a stylish open floor plan. Upgrades include impact glass windows and doors, 42-inch soft-close kitchen cabinets, upgraded stainless poles, quartz countertops, Samsung SS appliance package, 100% waterproof wood-look flooring throughout, custom bathroom vanities with quartz countertops, upgraded tile and showers, 10-feet ceilings and upgraded 8-foot interior doors. Contemporary lighting and plumbing fixtures throughout. The oversized master bedroom features his center closets, spacious master bath with double vanities and a huge shower. 3 guest bedrooms are spacious, one with double doors to porch. Enjoy the evenings on the spacious cover tile back porch for relaxing. This home is in a great location just off Becker with easy access to 95 and shopping. The builder has 4 other identical homes in the same area to choose from.